Hello everybody, Brew here. As promised, I'm going to do a color demo for you. You can see that I have a bunch of different shapes here with different strokes and different fills, and I'm going to change the colors for you in two different ways. One is kind of the obvious way of changing the color, and that is to just grab a selection and change the color swatch, just like that. And then you can grab selection over here and you can change the swatch. Then you can switch over to the fill color and you can change that. I'm thinking of SpongeBob and Patrick right now, so I'm going to do pink and yellow. Okay. Now, this is a great way to change colors. There's no doubt about it. You can do it. And you can also see that it takes a few extra steps of clicking and selecting and making your color. There we go. Well, there's another way to do this that is pretty handy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my selection tool and I'm going to select this whole group of shapes, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to group them. So the next thing that I can do is go to Edit, and then I'm going to go to Edit Colors, and you see it's all grayed out. Why? Because my group is not selected. To select my group, then I can go to Edit, Edit Colors, Recolor Artwork. And of course, this is just the tip of the iceberg. So over in this column, you have everything that's in your swatches. And over in this column, you have all the colors that are here. This is the color, and this is where you change it to a new color. If I double click on this, it opens up my color picker, and well, let's see, I'll go do a green, and I'll make it a dark green here, and say, okay. So anything that's red that I chose is going to be changed to this dark. Now I can go to the yellow, and what's opposite of yellow is lavender. So I'm going to go to a nice lavender here and say okay, and anything that was that color yellow is going to turn lavender. Here's my other yellow. Maybe I'll go a deeper lavender on this one. You see how quick and easy this is. I love this turquoise. I don't really want to change it, but I will. So I'll go with an orange. There's my green. Double click. Maybe a pinky color on here. Yeah. Say okay. Like that. And that's it. So you group all of those. You open it up in your Recolor Artwork. Edit Color and Recolor Artwork. And that's all there is to it. It makes life easier. You can also change these color groups, and you already know how to do that by going to the Adobe Color website and grabbing the palette that you want and bringing it into your swatches. Okay? So we've done that already, and I hope you have fun with this. Bye.